I've reviewed all the defendant's evidence as to her counterclaim, and I've considered the arguments of her counsel and plaintiff's counsel.
Judge Penny Askred has lost her cool with Amber Heard and her legal team for flouting her instructions. The livid judge seems shocked that a seasoned lawyer like Elaine Bredehoft would make such a move on the instructions of her client Amber Heard. What did the Aquaman star and her legal team do? What does it mean for Johnny Depp? The Aquaman star and her lawyer, Elaine Bredehoft, have filed a motion to appeal the 1st June verdict of Judge Penny Askred, which went in favor of Johnny Depp. This was after Judge Askred had explicitly told the legal team of the Aquaman star that she would not entertain any new motions. Lawyers for both parties met at the Fairfax courtroom where Elaine requested a county circuit court judge to overturn Penny Askred's decision. During the televised 6-week trial, Heard maintained her innocence, even when she was caught lying under oath. After the verdict, the Aquaman star felt that justice was not served, hence her decision to appeal the 7-member jury decision. Speaking to the media after initiating the appeal process, a representative of the 36-year-old said, "You don't ask for a pardon if you are innocent, and you don't decline to appeal if you know you are right." According to the appeal documents filed by Elaine and her team, the over $10 million awarded to Johnny Depp was not backed by evidence. The file also claimed that Johnny losing his role in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise was not down to Amber's 2018 op-ed for the Washington Post. Among other things, the legal team also stated that at least one of the jurors did not go through proper vetting before being allowed onto the jury. Therefore, they were not fit for jury duty. Elaine Bredehoft is praying the court to either dismiss the verdict that went in favor of Johnny Depp, throw out Johnny's complaint, or order a retrial. The document signed by Amber's chief lawyer reads, "Depp proceeded solely on a defamation by implication theory, abandoning any claims that Ms. Heard's statements were actually false." However, reacting to the 42-page document, the lead lawyer for Johnny Depp, Ben Chew, suggested that the appeal had no basis and was full of fluff. "This is what we expected, just longer, no more substantive," Ben wrote in an email. When a Twitter user shared Amber Heard's move to overturn the court's decision, many fans trooped to the comment section to share their opinion on the matter. One fan wrote, "So Elaine Bredehoft did exactly what Judge Askred said not to do. Judge Askred said she was done with this case. There should be no post-trial motions, and if her team wants to file any motions, they are welcome to the Court of Appeal. Ramiro didn't give Amber money. She has no way to appeal as planned on Friday." Another commented, "It's just like they can't take no for an answer. I am sure this will sit well with the judge. So much disrespect from the entire AH gang," another commented. Some fans felt the Aquaman star had other motives and didn't really want a new trial. They wrote, "All this new filing proves is that Heard doesn't have the money for an appeal, and it looks like no one's gonna financially support it either. And also, she wants a retrial because number 1, the trial costs will be covered by insurance. Number 2, she wants to get back in the same room with JD. And number 3, she wants to extend her already expired 15 minutes of fame." To which another fan replied, "She really doesn't want a retrial. She just wants the judge to forget the trial ever happened and declare it void, or at least ignore the verdict damages so that Amber Heard does not have to pay any money. She really doesn't want a new trial." Agreed. In fact, this motion is a cheap replacement for the real appeal that Elaine Bredehoft threatened to file yesterday. Neither Ramiro nor ACLU gave money for a bond, but Judge Askred has already said that she won't consider any post-trial motions. Judge Askred said that she was done with the case and that Elaine should write any claims or motions to the Court of Appeal, not to her. Then there were the fans that felt that Amber Heard was just pulling a face-saving PR stunt. One of them wrote on Twitter, "This just looks like a lot of her pre-trial filings, which essentially had no legal worth to the case, but were just so she could give sound bites from them to the press and reference the information as coming from court documents to give the info some weight. It's all PR." Both Amber Heard and Elaine Bredehoft said in court that it cost Amber $6 million in lawyer fees, or did insurance cover it? More BS. I agree she wants to be near Johnny Depp again and to make him feel uncomfortable in her presence. She needs to stay relevant somehow, even if it's only by association with his name. Weeks before the trial ended, many fans rightly predicted that Johnny Depp would win the case due to Amber's many lies under oath. First, she lied that she gave half of her 2016 divorce settlement to charity, when in reality, she gave only $1.3 million, most of which was sponsored by her billionaire ex-boyfriend Elon Musk. When it was pointed out to her that she had lied about her donations, the Aquaman star blamed Johnny Depp for her inability to fulfill her promises. "I have every intention in keeping all my promises. I would love for Johnny to stop suing me so I can do it." The actress and her lawyer were embroiled in another lie when they claimed that Amber used a makeup kit by Milani Cosmetics to cover the marks of domestic violence suffered at the hands of Johnny Depp. However, Milani Cosmetics cleared the air, revealing that the said makeup kit was not launched until 2017 and therefore could not have been used to hide the signs of physical abuse. Then there were the photos that the 36-year-old actress presented in court to back her claims that she was physically abused, only for an expert to expose her for her fabrications. According to Nina Rahmani, a New York-based legal expert, Amber Heard's exaggeration didn't help the case, as it made her appear unreliable. Commenting on Amber's lies about the abuses she suffered during her marriage with Johnny Depp, Rahmani said she told jurors that she thought Depp was going to kill her. Heard told the jurors that Depp kicked her so many times she lost count. She's talking about an attempted murder or felony assault, and the pictures at best support misdemeanor battery, Rahmani said. When someone is lying and exaggerating, jurors can disregard their testimony entirely, and they did, and they punished her, Rahmani added. Nima Rahmani, who spoke to The Insider, said that the Aquaman star not only lost the case due to her lies, but Depp's star power was a factor. He said she lost because she lied, and she exaggerated in a case that was all about likability and credibility. However, Depp was the much more likable and credible witness. The jurors loved him, the public loved him, and everyone on social media loved him. And now Amber Heard is one of the most despised women in America. Instead of being the face of the hashtag #MeToo movement, she's the face of a false accusation. Another lawyer, David Ring, who spoke to The Insider, agreed with Rahmani. "I think stars like that win the vast majority of the time. And obviously, Johnny Depp is a charismatic guy. The jury overlooked all his flaws, the really horrible behavior. They set all that aside and said she defamed him and awarded him a lot of money." When the verdict was announced in favor of Johnny Depp, many fans trooped to social media to express their delight. One fan wrote, "He won in the court of public opinion. He won in the court of law. Justice has been served, and now he can finally have his name and reputation back." Another elated JD fan commented, "Johnny Depp winning his defamation case against Amber Heard is a reminder that women can be abusers too. Amber Heard could not convince even one juror of her sadistic lies. Thank you, jury, for seeing the truth." However, the joy of these fans may be short-lived if Amber wins on appeal. After all, Amber has won against Johnny Depp before. Do you think Amber stands a chance in a retrial? Is she just creating a PR stunt as others are speculating? Let us know what you think in the comment section.